And I also love how these crochet braids start off with like that brownish black color and then fades into the number 30. That's definitely a pro for me. So this hair matched perfectly with my hair, even though my hair isn't a number 30. But the fact that it starts off with that black color and then go into the number 30, perfect. All right, let's get this party started. Doing it a little different today. I'm going to do the individual illusion method in the front, and then the back I'm going to do like 3 underhand braids. 1 to save time, and 2 just so there won't be any parts in the back. The parts that be separating the crochet bothers me. So we're going to try this method and see if I can get that look of it being more full. So yeah, let's give it a shot. Here's the hair I will be working with today. Clips, latch hooks, 3 bundles of Boho crochet braids. Oh, this color is so pretty. It's actually perfect for the summertime. Summer, fall. This is really pretty. See, they are braids. And you got 3 pieces of the curly hair coming out of the braid, plus 1 final curly piece at the end. So these should be fairly full. I have 3 packs. Each pack comes with 2 bundles in it, with 20 pieces per bundle. So this is a total of 120 boho crochet braid strands. And this is in the color number 30. 24 inches. Okay, so I'm going to be using Gorilla Snot to do my braids in the front. So what I'm going to do is do a row and then apply my braid, because if I do the entire foundation first using this product, it hardens and then it's too hard to pull it through. And your girl was on a struggle bus last time, and I don't want to be hurting on that struggle bus this time. And I did do a method similar to this before using like this braid gel. I like it because it doesn't hurt when I go to apply my crochets. However, it's not as sleek and neat as if I was to use this gel. So you can choose. I choose this. And it is 11:44 right now. So let's see how long it takes me. And also, I've done my part straight back like this before. That was cute. I'll leave a link down below. And I've also done where my parts were at an angle. And that's how I'm going to do it this time. All right, here's the first 2 rows. I can at least do 2 rows before it like dry up or whatever. Let's go ahead and crochet these 2 rows in. And if you know, you know, I like to put my latch hook in going down so that that little loop that the crochet forms will be at the bottom of the braid. Come on, shawty. What in the hell? See, nice and flat. This color is so pretty on me. Perfect. Okay, it's 12:01. Okay, now it's 12:05. So that took me only 4 minutes. Okay, it's now 12:07. So that took me a total of what, 6 minutes to do this 1 row, 4 minutes to braid it up, and 3 minutes to crochet these braids in. All right, last row on this side, and we're at, it's 12:19. I don't know, however many minutes that is. It's about 30? I don't know, I don't feel like counting. So y'all see, I'm just connecting these rows. If you don't know how to plait, then you can always use rubber bands. Just don't do them too tight. And let me show you close up how I'm connecting them. You know, you can connect it however, just get them joined together. But this is how I'm doing mine this time, because I feel like I did it different last time. So I start off braiding my section. And then when I come back around, I will add the first braid. And boom. And I'm actually alternating what side I add the braid in on. But this time I'm going to add it in from this side. Just to, you know, try to get it as flat as possible. Now we'll crochet my last row. Alright, so this side is 1 full bundle. This is half of 1 pack. So pretty. Now let me tackle this side. Oh yeah, okay, so it's 12:28. Yeah, that's where we at. And this side looks so good. I don't know why or how I got it to look so much neater than like these braids over here, but I did. I think I used less Gorilla Snot. Less is more. See that? Giving the illusion. Okay, so I went ahead and did this side only because I'm trying to get my thumbnail picture. If I wasn't trying to get my picture, I would have did it the same way I did this side. But good thing I did, because I think I want to actually wear this as like a side part, you know, like that. So I'm going to crochet the top end differently. So with that being said, like if I flip this side over here, I have the knots right here. The knots are on this side. So by me doing everything down here, it's like I can wear everything as a middle part. But I usually wear my crochet braids to the side, so I'm going to form my crochets to go to the side. And it is now 1:02. I actually stopped and went outside with my dogs for like 5 minutes, but yeah. Now I'm going to go ahead and crochet these 2 rows in. When I get to these rows here, I'll come back and show you what I'm talking about. But for now, for these 2 rows, I'm still putting my latch hook in, going down. Yep, it hurts. I'm telling you, that's why I don't like to wait. Alright, so I'm starting to work on this row. These 2 rows, I put my latch hook in going down because I have the knot at the bottom. Now this row, I'm putting my latch hook in going down to this side because I want my swoop coming over to this side. Now if I wanted a middle part, I would be putting it down this way. I mean, granted, you're going to be able to wear your hair however you want it, but just so it'll flow and lay better, you want to add the knot to the side that you would mainly be wearing it to. See that? It's nice and flat versus if I have it this way, it has like that little lump. Yeah. Okay. And you see this row is going over this way as well. Do I want a deep side part? I think I want it deep. Yeah. So over again. Okay, front all done. My phone over there. But it is 1:48 with my side part. This is 1 full pack in the front plus 2 from another pack. Now let's work on the back. That looked really good. I could have curved it, but the straight slant looked good. All right, so again with this, since I don't want any defined parts, I'm just going to part it with my fingers. Make sure I grab these ends and doing a underhand braid. Okay, cool. All right, so I have my 3 underhand braids and I did connect these 2 ends. And I'll just crochet this in through the braids. However, honey. And now I just crochet the rest of these boho braids in. I basically have 2 full packs left. Alright, so I'm starting on my 3rd and final bundles. This is how much I have done so far. The only thing about doing these 3 large braids is that I have to make sure I am putting braids in between the parts. So let me show you. So I take my latch hook and put it on the edge of this braid and then also through the edge of that braid. Just so I can kind of connect it and fill in the gap. See how that kind of take away that part? And then I also have to make sure I put a braid like on the actual braid here to fill that in as well. So I'm just doing that, you know, across and working my way up. Honestly, I'll probably say it's easier to just do regular cornrows, but to still finger part your hair and not define your parts. Because that's the whole reason of me doing this, is so that I won't have those obnoxious parts. But do the same thing. Just make sure you go in between with your crochet hair and you will be good. See that? Okay, I think this is it. This is enough. I got what, 5 left? Cool. Yeah, that's good. Because once I pull this down, it's going to cover. Now, let's see. Pull this back a little bit. All right, that should do it. That look good. Wow, this is nice. See, my curls look good. I really don't need to add any product, but I'm gonna add a little bit of mousse. Okay. And that's it. All right, you guys, so here's the finished look. Definitely leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this color here, because the color is gorgeous. Let me know what you think about this method, and stay tuned for these upcoming styles. And I also love how these crochet braids start off with like that brownish black color and then phase into the number 30. That's definitely a pro for me. So this hair matched perfectly with my hair, even though my hair isn't a number 30. But the fact that it starts off with that black color and then go into the number 30, perfect. Alright, I want to show y'all how my hair look in the sunlight. It's so pretty. Look at the color. Look at the inches, baby. I'm ready to go in rough like a boss. Someone's staring at me, but the show must go on, honey. Period.